Kylie's Fun Family Toy Time. Today we're going to be making nonpareils. If you guys don't know what nonpareils are, they're any type of chocolate you want with sprinkles on top. Let's get to it. This is what we're going to need to make nonpareils. First thing you're going to need is chocolate. I'm using dark chocolate. Then we're going to need a 1 cup measuring. And then we're going to need a bowl, sprinkles, which I'm going to use the small sprinkles. I think they work a lot better on these ones. And then a sandwich size zip-up bag. And we're going to be making our piping bag for them. And then you're going to need a pan with parchment paper on top. Now we're going to measure 1 cup of chocolate into the bowl. Now we're going to dump it into the bowl. Now we're going to put it in the microwave for 30 seconds at a time and stir it until it's melted. So now we're going to pour the chocolate in the bag. Hey Kylie, could you help me hold the bag? So you just gonna hold it just like that so I can pour the chocolate in. Pour it like that. Yep, okay. Watch your fingers, so I don't want your, like that. Yep. I don't want your hands getting all chocolatey. Open the bag just a little bit. There you go. Good job, Kelly. Looks really good. Excited to eat it?
What's this melted chocolate chip?
Open the bag, Kelly. Open the bag wider. Make sure all the chocolate's out of the bowl so you won't have to waste any more chocolate for us to eat. So now we're gonna have to zip it up. Kinda got a little messy, so we're gonna get a paper towel, but so now we're going to cut a tiny hole in the bag so we can pipe it out. Just about that big. We don't want it too small because the chocolate will take a while to come out. Now we're going to put little dots on top of our tray with parchment paper. So now we're going to squeeze the bag out so we can make tiny little dots. Like, they can be pretty much whatever size you want. I'm going to do about that size. I like them a little bit bigger. The ones that like you buy from the store are smaller, but I like them bigger. But just about that. They don't have to be that far apart because they're just going in the fridge after. So just like that. And we're going to continue doing the same process for the whole entire pan. Hey, Kylie. You excited to eat these?
Yeah, because they have chocolate.
Yeah, that's Callum's favorite. You love chocolate.
And there's chocolate on the table.
Yeah. It's a little bit messy, but it's gonna be worth it, right?
That's a big one.
Yeah. I'm doing a couple different sizes, I guess, I don't know. It's pretty much because we're making it, so it's technically our artwork, we can do whatever we want.
I like that one a lot. That one that you made really big.
Yeah, I can't wait to do that one too. Do you want to eat that one?
Yeah.
What one do you really want to eat? Point to the one you really want to eat.
Probably that one.
That one?
Yeah, okay, it's pretty big.
Yeah. Ah, it's coming out the other end.
Yay, now we have even the big one.
Ah, we made an extra one. It's like a little mechanic.
I want to eat that one.
That one looks really big.
I think we can split that one.
We could split that one, or you could just eat it. Like you're so cute.
Yeah, then you can eat those like 3 big ones.
Yeah.
Like every big one, and eat that humongous one.
Yeah.
So we see them all big.
Or I'm gonna hold the other side so it won't go to the other side. That was so funny. I would leak that like that.
3 hours later.
Ah, it's like a volcano.
Oh yeah, cause kind of like if you put that all together, it would be like a volcano. Then you
Oh
just
no!
need some
I'm gonna
bread.
pour out at the other end. I think that's probably better.
And now a lot of them are connecting.
It's okay.
And then we'll have a humongous
We can do a couple over here.
If a lot of them connect like that one, then it'll be a really big one.
Yeah.
But 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is connected.
I'm gonna probably do one more right here. We can get it up.
Yeah, like a humongous one. Oh, it kind of looks like an eel. What's that?
So now we're gonna put the sprinkles on. Okay, Talon, go right ahead.
The white, there's a lot of white.
You can put a little bit more, like try a little bit. Like this. I like to do it like that so you can get it can go a tiny bit faster.
Mm-hmm. And on these squiggly ones, like this one, I'm gonna so connect all the sprinkles.
Do you like rainbow sprinkles?
Yeah.
Do you like rainbow sprinkles better or do you like chocolate sprinkles better?
Rainbow ones.
I
so
do.
these.
I like it too because it's more colors to it. These look really good. I can't wait to eat them.
Yeah.
It's okay if they don't get on the chocolate because you're just gonna eat them anyway.
Yeah, and you can eat that.
Oh, there's one left out with no chocolate on it. You want to put?
Oh yeah.
Here.
I'll put a
There's a
lot.
couple that don't have very many. I'll put a couple more on those.
Yeah, because that chocolate one has a lot. No, it's got a
I think that's about good, buddy. One.
Yeah, it's just a couple more on that one and this one over here. I think that's good.
Wow, your fingers up. Look at it.
It's
So
rainbow.
they're like brown. Okay, now we're gonna put these in the fridge for an hour, and then we're gonna eat them afterwards. It's been about an hour. Now we're gonna taste them. Now we're gonna eat one. Okay, you pick your pick. Ooh, big one. Hey, don't try it yet. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Really good.
Really good.
I hope you guys like our video. Make sure you subscribe to Kylie's Fun Family Toy Time and give our videos a big thumbs up. Bye guys. Bye guys.
Bye.